Hello friends, today we are going to study De Morgan's law. Number 1, and it says that A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, now how we will read this? We will read this dot as product, this bar as complement, and this plus as sum. Then we can state this equation like this: complement of product is equal to sum of complements, and it is true for more than one variable. Okay, more than one or two variables. For two or more variables, for two or more variables. Okay, so statement of this rule or law will become complement of product for two or more variables is equal to sum of complements of two or more variables. And now we will draw logic diagram for it. So if you want to get A dot B the whole bar using only basic gate, we are going to draw this using only basic gate. So for left hand side we are drawing this diagram. We want A dot B. For that we will use AND gate, and because of AND gate we will get A dot B, but we want A dot B the whole bar, so we will connect NOT gate to it, and because of that we will get A dot B the whole bar. So this is diagram of LHS. Now RHS. Now for RHS, right hand side we want A bar first. So for A bar we are going to connect one NOT gate. Let's say input is A, then output will become A bar. Then we want B bar also. So input is B, output is B bar. Now we want A plus B the whole bar. So for that we will connect OR gate to it, and this will become A bar plus B bar. So this is logic diagram for this De Morgan's law 1. Now we will try to prove it, okay, using one table. Let's say inputs are A, B. Then AB can take four values: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now we want A dot B, so we will perform A dot B. So A dot B will be 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then we want A bar plus B bar. So for that we will find A bar. So if input is A is 0, 0, 1, 1, then A bar will become 1, 1, 0, 0. Then we will find B bar. Now B bar, if B is 0, 1, 0, 1, then B bar will become 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we will write LHS and RHS finally. LHS is A dot B the whole bar, and RHS is A bar plus B bar. So we should get these two columns similar. Now A dot B the whole bar means we are going to take complement of this third column. A dot B, we will take complement of it, then we will get A dot B bar. So 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0. Now A bar plus B bar. So addition of these two columns. 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we can see that LHS is matching with RHS. We are getting 1110, 1110. So this De Morgan's law is true. We can say that A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Thank you.